have some unboxings today from Louis Vuitton and a little bit of makeup. I got my second shot today, so what do you do when you get an owie? You go and you go shopping. So that's color. I have just been in a makeup mood. Makeup mood, makeup mood, makeup mood. Different foundations, adding more colors. Got a new lipstick that Chanel just released. It's a plumping one. So I'm testing it out. It is very moisturific. So I got some stuff from, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, Shisheido. I needed a translucent powder. I'm having powder issues, especially with my eyes, and I don't know if that has to do with talcum. I don't even know if this has talcum in it, but I want to give it a shot and see how that goes, because I just get a little tiny bit of oiliness right here. Even though I have normal skin, I don't understand. That's kind of a recent thing. Could be body changes. So I wanted to try something that sets things in and locks it in. So I got the Shisheido. My second, another blush. I have color blushes, but I wanted something more natural, kind of more of a, what do you call that, like a contour blush for videos and photos, because I'm still wearing my mask. This one is the powder. So yeah, it's just a translucent powder. I've had good luck with this brand on their face wipes and on their moisturizer. I use a lot of moisturizer. Oh, that was a nice catch, knees. I got good knees. I don't have knees like Megan, but I can catch things in them. Oh, so this is the blush. More carefree look for the summer. I like this color. I like this color. This is what I was looking for. I'm doing this video on my phone, not my new camera. I have videos backed up that I need to edit from my camera. It's a mess. So apparently I'm maybe down for the count for the next few days after the second vaccine. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna do some editing this weekend because I have to get to know my new computer and my new editing software. So hopefully I'll be able to get this one out. I ordered that stuff last night, picked it up in store today. Bloomingdale's is also having a sale that starts today. I think it's like the more you buy, the more you get off your purchase. And then of course, if you're a loyalist, you start earning points. So the sunglasses that I just bought from Prada from them, which number one was cheaper than on the Prada site at their regular price. And I had $50 from the sale that they were having, which was $50 off of a $200 purchase. And then I had a $50 reward card. So I got $100 off of that. Plus I saved from buying this new release Prada sunglasses, which are absolutely perfect for the summer. I don't know if I have put them on any of my platforms yet, but I did do an unboxing video. It wasn't a YouTube unboxing video. So I saved over $100 plus earned more points. Louis Vuitton, a slightly heavy bag. I had to do some business there today. I am waiting on a pool, by the pool order. So we had to do some checking and see where that is. This is actually a handbag. And I decided last night that there's a wallet that I wanted to order, a man's wallet. So I had to get that order in, and then I had to pick up some items that were waiting for me. I will consider this unboxing basically my Cosmo Life approved on this item because we enjoyed it so much. I had to buy it again. And this is actually the box it came in. This is, I think, a different box than the last time I bought it. This is a home item. Smells really good. And when you're done, you actually have something left over that you can use for something else. So I will This is another Il Blanc candle. We loved this candle. It smells terrific, especially now with where we live in California. We like the breeze blowing through the house right now, and this is perfect to go with that. And I'm going to show you what the candle looks like when you're completely done, what you're left with, and how it's kind of like an amazing piece to have, because you can use it for whatever you want and it looks really, really good. So I'm going to not take the plastic off so I can show you. Plus I do have a video on here of unboxing it, so you can check that one out. But I like the way that this one was packed. I don't think the other one was packed like this. This is the original Il Blanc that I got, and I said there's no way I can throw this away. It has the vachetta handle. It's got this little brass lid on it. This is like, I don't know, is this ceramic or something like that? So we cleaned it out after the candle was done burning down, and I'm just trying to think, gee, what can I put in here? But I mean, come on, think about it. You could put succulents in here, little earrings in here. You could put anything in here. So you actually have something left over from burning the candle that's quite stylish and quite solid. This has a little bit of weight to it, so it's pretty cool too. For the price of this is what I was spending on Jo Malone candles, but I didn't have anything left when I was done with the Jo Malone. Hello, I do love Jo Malone candles. I'm not shading them at all. But what I'm saying is, for your money, you got a nice little holder after. What I'm trying to do is get my Virgil pieces. I happen to love Virgil. So much so that I went to Atlanta to see an exhibit of his, a massive exhibit at the Museum of High Art in Atlanta, which is also where they shot the opening scenes for Black Panther. And I was like, when I'm in this museum, I'm like, my God, this place looks familiar. I feel like I've been here before. That was the museum that they were using as a museum in London for that movie. But anyway, he had this massive showing there, and we absolutely loved it. Fell in love with a lot of his work there. So that's what has to do with that wallet, because I know when Virgil is done and when his items are gone, I'm pretty sure he's going to move on to another project, because that's how artists are. I'm raising one. But I saw this and I said, spontaneous purchase. It's called LV Friends. Okay, so the bag, as you can see, let me open it up so you can see better. And I'm really excited about this. We love art in our family. Art is a big thing. We find art in a lot of things, but this is the outside of the bag. Isn't that just, well, to me, it's just adorable. And this is a bundle purchase. So you get this. You get this bandana. And I don't think I'm even going to use this bandana. I actually have an idea. I have an idea for this. This is what it looks like. And I just absolutely love these images on here. They're just colorful and unique. Colorful and unique, and then with the on top of the monogram. I love it. Absolutely love it. So you get the bag, you get the bandana. So lovely. It is a mask cover. So you wear your actual hospital style approved mask, and then this is your cover. And it has, which I absolutely love, because I had to buy some of these from Amazon for my other mask, this adjustable piece right here. And it also has ties that you can tie it up. This is fashion. This is fashion. I mean, people are running around with faux designer masks. I mean, I got one at the beginning because I didn't even know LV was coming out with masks. But this one, this is not a faux, baby. And nobody's going to be able to actually think that it is. But this is from Virgil, styled by Virgil, and it is the Friends package. So you get the bag, you get the bandana, and then you get this super cool mask cover to it. And to me, art, something that's always been pushed to, you know, oh, people with lots of money or people that are old and boring love art. And so I love that younger generations behind me, my kids' generation, that art is cool, art is mainstream, art is fashion. That makes me very happy. So I am excited about this. So that bandana size is 21 by 7, 21 by 7. The mask comes in one size. It is cotton and silk, predominantly cotton, and it's an all over monogram pattern, and it's inkjet printed. So this is the LV Friend Set mask and bandana, and it is part of Virgil's ongoing boyhood theme. So his theme was the boyhood theme from the beginning. So this is part of it, and I like this part of it a lot because it's very playful. So it has the house signatures that anchor each corner. It's washable, extra long ties for multiple styling options, which is also good fashion. So stoked to go get this today. So stoked, especially after getting that jab and knowing I'm not going to be feeling good this weekend. This made it worth it. Who says retail therapy does not work? And my makeup bits, of course, and my new candle, which will help me feel better this weekend as I labor through antibodies doing their thing. I think I kind of know where I'm going with my Louis Vuitton this year in 2021. If you asked me in January or February, I didn't know. I had no clue. But I think now that I'm really thinking about things, I think I know where I'm going. And that's pretty exciting for me. We already had the exotics Zoom that we did, my husband and I, with South Coast Plaza Mall. And they're planning something else that we're going to be able to attend where we get to learn about some more Louis Vuitton products. So I don't actually know how many handbags I'm going to be buying this year. I think I'm going through another metamorphosis, another change. I'm excited. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit notifications. You can also follow me on TikTok, and you can follow me on Instagram. I'm here. If you have questions for me about anything on my channel that I've bought and I've used, ask away. I'd be more than happy to answer.